Hello guys, my name is Pravyad and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you the one website where we can create backlink. So the website name is atavi.com and I can show you the website traffic so you guys can see this website having 1.5 million total visitors and the mostly traffic from Russia, Belarus, Japan, Bangladesh and the Ukraine. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you guys can want to attract audience and the crawlability from that kind of country, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. The website name is atavi.com and I can show you the other research factors. So this website having a 42 domain authority and the spam score is 3%, and according to Acharya this website having a domain rating 65. Okay, so we have completed our research process. So now I can show you the website dashboard. Okay, so this is a website dashboard and how you guys are able to access. So firstly I can show you how you guys can create your profile and the yeah, so simply you guys can see that kind of interface. So there is a button you guys can click, login, and you guys can see there is a option other sign in, forget password. Okay. Yeah, so there is a button you guys can click, sign up, and you guys have to add your email password and you guys can resubmit your password. Then you guys can click to sign up button. Then you guys are able to explore your profile. So first thing, you guys have to complete your profile creation process. Then you guys can see that kind of interface. So there is a plus button and the three dot. So let me check if is there any option to we can optimize our profile. So there is not any option. So security setting, any other things. Okay, so there is a plus button you guys can click if you guys can want to add your website URL, bookmark, and these things. Okay, so if you guys can want, then you guys can add your inner dashboard. So there is a plus button you guys can add. So I have a one pages, so I want to bookmark this page. Now you guys have to add in a website address option. Then you guys, for the bookmark name, you guys have to add your website title, page title. Then you guys can choose your gallery. Okay, if you guys, if your group, if you want to create new group, then there is an option you guys can click to create new group. Okay, so then you guys can complete this process. Then you guys can click to add button. Okay, so then you guys can see this is your uh, so we have created our social bookmarking content. Okay, so let me refresh once. Yeah, Vancouver. So you guys can see there we this is our bookmark whatever we have created. So if we want to get okay, so if you guys can create your backlink or if you guys can bookmark your backlink on that website, so only you guys are able to transfer crawlability on your website if you guys can submit a bookmark on that website. Okay, so there is a 2 to 3 option. There is a Yandex, a search engine. So if you guys have to put your website URL and it's going to in a Yandex database. Okay, so basically this website having that kind of a feature, so you guys have to explore, and once you guys can hit your website URL on that website. Okay, so it should be going to help you to you guys have to get a more crawlability from that kind of websites. Okay, so still if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of project, any kind of services, so you guys have to find my social details over the description section. And if you guys for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing. If you guys can want to help me, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you can understand. Just I want something from your side. Okay, yeah. So bye bye, take care.